So I'm going to switch it up and do the eyes first. This time I'm going to take the Smashbox lid primer and apply that all over my eyelid. I'm taking the one in white. This is one of my favorite primers. I'm using white because I wanted the shadows that I'm going to put on top to kind of pop a little bit more, and then I'm just going to blend that out. And then the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to use all the colors from this palette. So I'm going to take the matte yellow shade first, and I'm going to apply that just above my crease, just kind of as a background color. It's not really going to do too much. And I'm using a Sigma E38 blending brush to do this. And the next color I'm going to use is the matte pink shade from the palette. And once you kind of add like a pink on a yellow background, it kind of turns a little bit orange. So that's why you get that kind of like sunset vibe, because once the pink goes onto the yellow, it kind of turns a little bit orange, but the pink is still on the bottom. And then I'm going to apply that matte yellow to the first half of my eyelid. I kind of really had to pack this color on. It wasn't as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. And then I'm going to take the same pink again, and I'm going to blend that on my lid, on the second half of my lid. And then I'm going to take the darkest matte purple color, which I really loved, and I'm going to apply that with a Sigma E25 blending brush in at the outer corner and into my crease. I'm not trying to really do a cut crease, I'm just trying to blend it out into my crease. And I just went through that until I got the intensity that I wanted. And this eye really, both eyes really struggled, not because of the shadows, but I mean, for some reason they did get a little bit muddy. I don't know if my brushes were dirty, but it was actually the liner that gave me the most problems. But I'm going to take this Makeup Forever. I'm not sure what it's called. It has a weird name, the name to it. It's a glitter. I will add it in the description box below, but I'm just adding a little bit of glitter glue, and then I'm going to apply this shimmery glitter. It's a really thin glitter. It's really pretty. It's going to help cover up any flaws. And then I took a Sigma Strikingly Royal eyeliner, but my eyeliner was old. I haven't used it in a long time, so it gave me a lot of problems. It wasn't easy to apply because it was old and dried out, and it started like getting really cakey and flaky, I guess you could say, but it just gave me some problems. I'm going to take the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, which is a primer and moisturizer in one. I'm going to put that all over. For foundation, I'm going to take the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation, a Sigma F83 curved kabuki brush. I really struggled with both of these eyes today. I'm not sure why, but the look just kind of got really muddy, and also the biggest issue was the liner. I think it's just because the eyeliner is too old. For concealer, I'm going to use the Jouer High Coverage Concealer, color Macaron. I think this concealer dries really fast. I can't remember though, so I'm trying to hurry. Clean up under my eyeshadow with the concealer to kind of make it like straight. I'm gonna set that before it creases. I'm going to finish my under eyes, and I'm just going to add a little bit of that purple on the lower lash line. For inside my waterline, I'm going to take this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. and it is in the color Screamin'. Kind of let it dry a little bit and then add another layer on top so it's a little bit more pigmented. And in the inner corner, I'm going to add one of the lightest shades from the palette. I'll insert it somewhere up there. I'm going to add a little bit of the Benefit Badgal Bang mascara to my lower lash line. I really like this brush. I really need to warm up my face, so I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. Oh, so dumb. I'm just remembering in my last video, I said I was going to link this brush, this Benefit brush, and I didn't. I will try to link it in the description box in this video. Well, that's pretty strong. Clean up underneath my cheeks real quick. I can't remember if they still have this blush. It's called Mint for You. It's from the Mint for You collection, and it's called Amazement from Dose of Colors. It's like a somewhat shimmery peachy pink color. I'm going to spray a little bit of this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist on first before I apply my highlighter. I'm going to take this Glow palette from Glam Glow, which I really like. Our bunnies bit the whole side because it's kind of like rubbery. They bit the whole bottom right here. I really like this highlighter palette. I'm going to mix these two right here. I'm gonna use Huda Beauty's Girlfriend liquid lipstick. I really like how thin her liquid lipsticks are. The formula is really thin.